Chicken Rezala is an authentically Bengali chicken curry. In this dish, chickens are cooked in rich, flavorful gravy. This recipe is not too sweet, sour or spicy. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna, welcome to Simply Food. Before starting to this video, please subscribe to my channel. So let's see the ingredients that we need to make this recipe. Chicken cut into big pieces, yogurt, onion paste, ginger garlic paste, dry red chilies, cashew nuts, watermelon seeds, cardamoms, cinnamon sticks, bay leaf, black peppercorn, sugar, salt, clarified butter and white oil. Now I'll marinate the chicken. Into the chicken, add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of yogurt, well beaten. Coat the chicken very nicely and marinate for 2 hours into refrigerator. You should take big chunks of chicken. After 2 hours, into a pan, take 1 tablespoon white oil. Into the oil, add 2 teaspoons clarified butter or ghee. If you want, you can only use the ghee. Melt it. Now temper the oil with bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, 3 cardamoms, 2 dry red chilies, 10 to 12 black peppercorns. Saute them for 15 to 20 seconds. The whole spices release their aroma into the oil. Add onion paste. I have taken 3 medium-sized onions. Fry the onion. Onions are sweet, so the gravy gets little sweetness from the onion. Now add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. I had ginger garlic paste previously, so add lesser. At this stage, saute for a minute. Now add marinated chicken pieces, which was marinated with yogurt and ginger garlic paste. As long as you marinate the chicken, the taste will be much better. The chicken will be soft and juicy as well. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. This is a Bengali dish inspired by Mughlai cuisine. Now add leftover marination into this. Mix it nicely. Now add 3 teaspoons of cashew nut and watermelon seeds paste. Soak 8 to 10 cashew nut and 3 teaspoons of watermelon seeds into the water and then blend to a fine paste with the help of little bit of water. Mix them nicely. If you want to add poppy seeds, you can add them. This recipe doesn't need any red chili powder and turmeric powder or any other spices. Now add salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the sourness of yogurt and make sure the yogurt is less sour. Give a good mix. Now add water. Give a light mix. Put on the lid and cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until all the chickens are nicely tender. Just look at this gravy. The oils are oozing out from the gravy and chickens are nicely tender. Chicken Rezala is now ready. Serve chicken Rezala with Rumali roti or tandoori roti or any simple Indian bread. This is a perfect combination for your lazy day. That's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, give your valuable comment in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe Simply Food and share this recipe with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye.